Hey everybody, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo chef, and I'm not going to be looking at the camera much because I am on the road. So I got a video sent to me by a subscriber that took place in Wichita, Kansas, and I thought, all right, I'll watch this. And it was kind of interesting. It was about golf courses in Wichita, specifically public golf courses in Wichita. And the gentleman was showing their locations via Google Earth and talking about these individual courses and saying which courses were the best ones to play in Wichita. And I thought it was really bizarre because he admitted in the video he's never even been to Wichita. So how do you rate golf courses that you've never seen in a city you've never been in? That just didn't make a whole lot of sense to me. So I've been playing golf on the courses within the 50-mile radius of Wichita since I was 7 years old. That was in the late 70s. Yeah, I'm old. And I just found it amusing that this guy seems to think he knows so much about golf courses in Wichita in a city he's never even been in. So I want to give you my impressions of golf courses in Wichita, not with the help of Google Earth. So I'm gonna start making videos at a lot of the public golf courses so you can see what they really look like in the general vicinity. So if it's something that interests you, by all means follow along. I will name all of them with a tag, and I'll make sure that I include that on the tags in this video. Anyway, I'm on the road. I'm headed across town because we decided to do this just at the spur of the moment. It was hard to get a tee time anywhere today on a Saturday, but we managed to get one at 12 o'clock on a course that is not actually in the city limits. It's just southeast of town. The name of the course is Sierra Hills. It's a little executive course, so it's primarily par 3 course with 4 par 4s. We're going to try to get in 18 holes. I don't know, because we have an event this evening, so we may only get in 9, but at least to give you an opportunity to see what the first course that we're headed to, as far as a public course, looks like in the greater Wichita area. Now, many of you may have seen my video that took place at Rolling Hills Country Club, which is on the west side, actually very close to where I live. It's the birthplace of the LPGA right here in Wichita, Kansas. Beautiful golf course. And that's actually where I'll be tonight for an event. But anyway, I hope you enjoy these. If you have a course in the area that you have interest in, public course, not private courses. We'll do country clubs next spring. But if you have a course you'd like to know something about, put it in the comments or send me an email, bill@kansasflamingochef.com, and I will do my best to run by and give you the lowdown. Have a great day. I'll see you on the next one. Eat fab.